everyone, I'm Sniti, your French educator from Master Friend with Sniti, and today we are going to start with the master key of lesson number 6, that is Les Amis de Caroline. So as you all remember that we have completed with the reading part of this chapter. So today we are going to start with the master key that is our all-time favorite, and it is very useful and very important to unlock a very important thing, that is the Q and A of this chapter, that are the question and answers of Les Amis de Caroline, which means the friends of Caroline. So now the two important topics introduced to us in this chapter are les articles définis, and then we have the nationalities, les nationalités. So today we are going to do the les articles définis in the master key of lesson number 6. But why not nationalities? They are also important. The basic reason is that I have made you understand them in a theoretical form in the chapter, in the reading part of the chapter, all the meanings of those words. But the thing that matters is that even if I tell this to you hundred or thousands of times, it only depends on you if you give attention to that and revise it, do practice of it. So this is my homework for you today, to write the nationalities 2 times. The nationalities 2 times in your homework notebook or rough copy. So now let us start with les articles définis, the topic for today, which means the definite articles. So now before starting any kind of articles like the indefinite articles and definite articles that we are going to study today, or les articles contractés and so many other things that we are going to learn in Apprenons le français part 2, not 1 but part 2. First, we need to understand the basic introduction of les articles, the articles. So articles are nothing but, for example, I give you a noun. Here is apple. Here is an apple. So this is an example of noun. It is a name of a fruit. So if I use this noun, it tells that if this noun is specific or general. But how? If this noun would have been general, तो on the tree there is an apple on the tree, तो उस पेड़ पे एक एप्पल है, यहाँ पे उस पेड़ पे है, and then I am saying that the apple was very tasty. So उस पेड़ पे वो वाला जो एप्पल है, हमें पता चल गया कि उस पेड़ पे एप्पल है. उस एप्पल की बात हम जब वापस करते हैं, दैट बिकम्स स्पेसिफिक, कि हम एक स्पेसिफिक एप्पल की बात कर रहे हैं. So therefore the articles tell us that if a noun is specific or general. So we have learned about the general articles that are a and an, and in French they are un, une and des. And today we are going to start with les articles définis, which are the definite articles. But what do all of them means? They have different, there are 4 articles, definite articles, la, la, l apostrophe, les. But what all of them means is the. They all means the. But just the difference is that in the masculine form we have la, in the feminine form we have la. So any word beginning with a consonant and the gender of that word is masculine, then that would be the la will come in front of it. And if we see to the feminine, any noun starting with a consonant and it is feminine and we need to use a specific article, then we'll be using l, la. So now at the last we have a plural. तो अब ये तीनों सिंगुलर हैं और ये प्लूरल है, तो डिफरेंस तो हमें पता चल गया कि ये तीनों सिंगुलर के लिए यूज़ होते हैं, ये प्लूरल के लिए. बट अब यहाँ पे मैस्कुलिन और फेमिनिन का देखने के बाद हमारे को ये एक और सेक्शन मिलता है, वॉवल्स. अब भाई वॉवल्स, बिफोर वॉवल्स का क्या मतलब है? तो the meaning is basically that any noun starting with an vowel, for example apple is there, so it starts with a vowel, so we use an in front of it. So and if we needed to use the specific article, then we would be using the. All of them means the. Just the difference is that in French, any word beginning, any noun beginning with a vowel takes this l apostrophe definite article. So now here we have learned about all of these. Let us recap it all. That is, in masculine we have la, there are 4 definite articles: la, l apostrophe and les. That is all you need to remember. Now, just for your easierness, I have given some examples of each of these. In the masculine, we have le garçon, the boy. Le garçon, the boy. Then we have in feminine la fille. It means the girl, la fille. So then we have before vowels l'homme, l'homme. What do we mean by that? It means the man, the man. So all of them are using the, just the difference is that they are either masculine or feminine, or there is a vowel in front of them. And for, if we see to the vowel, whenever we say there is a vowel, so that also agrees for the silent H. Any word starting with H is also considered in the category of kind of like a vowel. But then we have the next one, that is plural. The example is les hommes, the man, the men's, the men's. So this is the boy, the girl, the man and the men. So now here we have learned about all about articles. There is one thing that we need to remember, that is no article is used before proper noun. Now what do we mean by proper noun? It means proper name of people. Like my name is Sniti, so we will not use like she is a Sniti and Sniti, no. And then if we have the specific article, she is the Sniti, no, that is wrong. We do not use it in front of the proper name of people. Proper noun here considering the persons, persons. Here it considers the person. So now that was all, and bravo to you all. You have completed the master key successfully, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and have a nice day. And in the next video we'll be completing with the Q&A of this lesson. So I hope that you enjoyed it, you understood the concept of the definite articles, and you all remember that your homework is to write the Nash and 89. I'll just erase it out. Nationalities 2 times in your rough notebook. So you need to write the nationality 2 times in your notebook. So bye bye and have a nice day.